but it's probably going to be one of the craziest Ferraris you ever see. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rise, welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where Ferrari is great at many things, but one of its biggest strengths is keeping us guessing. We usually have a clear idea about how most automakers' cars are going to look before they officially pull back the covers, but Ferrari manages to keep information locked down partly because of its careful use of disguises. Now let's be clear, the LaFerrari successor you see in these pictures is wearing plenty of it, and these pictures are from Motor1.com, which I will link them in the description so you guys can check out more of their coverage. Now, I'm not just talking about bits of camo wrap that's covering up this car. There's boxy sections of bodywork that might suggest Ferrari is preparing to launch its ugliest supercar ever committed to asphalt. I'm kidding. This is not the finished car by any mean. Codenamed P250, when it's finally revealed, it will be potentially in late 2024. This is Ferrari's new hybrid hypercar. Now, its styling is not the only bit of fakery, as you can see that this Ferrari prototype has two visible tailpipes, suggesting that they are both dummies and that the real exhaust is the rectangular section of the metal located between them and behind the crude mesh covering the back of the car. Now, some of these spy shots show how the butterfly style doors cut deep into the roof structure, and of course, you can't miss the giant motorsport style rear wing. But if Ferrari follows tradition, this will be replaced with an active spoiler for the production model that will be able to fold away when it's not needed to maintain the purity of the design. Now, yellow warning symbols dotted around one of these two prototypes tells us that it's running a hybrid powertrain, which is highly surprising since the LaFerrari featured a hybrid power all the way back from its launch in 2013. But that was an electronically assisted V12, while the P250 might drop just down to 6 cylinders. Ferrari has yet said if the hypercar will inherit technology from the firm's F1 and 499P Le Mans racing programs. And the racing cars in both of these series use turbocharged V6 power, so does Ferrari's most recent sports car, the 296. So you gotta keep your fingers crossed for a V12. But whatever configuration this engine employs, expect a monster power output to go with an equally monstrous $2.5 million plus price. LaFerrari's 986 horsepower 1000 PS seemed huge a decade ago, but the regular SF90 matches it these days. So Ferrari is probably going to have to deliver close to 1500 horses, 1521 PS to really move the game on and compete with the immediately heavier electric hypercars like the Rimac Nevera that make a third as much power again. Now, rumors suggest that an October 2024 unveil for the P250 Coupe, though by then it will probably have a proper name with a hardcore XX variant coming along a year after, and an Aperta convertible by 2027. Now, in true Ferrari hypercar fashion, production is likely to be limited just to a few hundred units, and a document allegedly leaked last fall claiming that Ferrari would build 828 cars in total, made up of 599 coupes, 199 convertibles, and 30 XX machines. So with that said, what do you guys think about the fake dummy look of the Ferrari 250? Are they hiding the lines very well, or are we seeing right past this phony design? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys want to help further support the channel, check the links down in the description below where I have a one-time link donation for my PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, and Patreon, just in case you guys want to donate an extra $1 or $2 to the channel. Appreciate that love. As always, guys, thank you so much. You guys can also check out the Ron's Rise merch and social media links down in the description below. Now, make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. And with that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rise video. Peace.